Hey guys, what's up? Alec back with the daily stock market, and look at that. Our account's up another $1,000 on the day, and we're even peaking around $1,400 on the day. We're up around $5,000 in the past week, which is around 8%. I think it's a little bit higher than that. And we also have a 45% gain in the last year. So we're absolutely killing it. Let me know if you want to join and be a part of it. DM me on Instagram. Now we have PayPal pulled up as our first stock that we're going to be talking about today, down 12% in the last 3 months. This could be a good one to slowly dollar cost average to if you're a long-term investor. Now we've seen PayPal go up 500% in the past 5 years. So very, very big growth. But what we want to talk about is that we're considering a mega deal for Pinterest. PayPal is. All right. Now it wants to buy it for around $45 billion. PayPal wants to buy Pinterest, which is around 14% of PayPal's market cap. There's no guarantees that this will happen or go through. It's a very big purchase for them. 14% of PayPal's market cap would be going to buying Pinterest. But overall, I think it can be a great thing and a great idea for the long term. There's no guarantee that it will happen. It's just in talks right now. Now, Pinterest is the next stock that we have to talk about. Obviously, we were loaded up on Pinterest, now up 22%. We've been talking about them in the videos for a long time. And also the close friends list. We've been buying under $55 per share is when we started our position. And it's gone as low as $50 per share, which we were even taking some at as well. Our average cost was $57 in our Robinhood account. We're up around $250 on the day, and I think Pinterest has at least another 10% to go. We're also up 17% on our Webull account here, and you can actually see our market value is around $3,000. We're up around $425 in Pinterest. So if we sell now, we can cash out a nice $400. And guys, who else do you know that's showing you all their positions like this, going over swing trades, telling you where they're selling at, showing you their open positions, how much money they've made, and their yearly charts? I follow a lot of different stock influencers, and no one's really showing how much money they made today and how much money they made in the week. And definitely nobody's showing how much money they made in the year. I'm one of the only people to actually do that. So if you appreciate that, smash a thumbs up. Try to be as transparent as possible with you guys. And I think that's why you absolutely love it. Now, our Webull account is up around $1,000 on the day. Also, keep in mind, in addition to our Robinhood account, we also have $53,000 in a Webull account and around $25,000 in a Fidelity account. And we have around $300,000 total in the stock market and around $80,000 in cryptocurrencies. All right. So now if we go to P&L, we can see that I've made over $11,000. And we can also see that my profit and loss, so for every dollar that I put in, we've made around 92% gains on this account. So this is one of my best accounts, and that's the 1 year chart. Keep in mind, if we go to the 6-month chart, we're only up 26%. If we go to the 3-month chart, we're up 17%. The 1-month chart is up 6%, but the 1 year chart is definitely our pride and joy and where we make most of our gains. That's why I always tell you guys long-term investing is more important than 1 month or 3 month or even 6-month mindset. You want to have a 1 to 2 year mindset minimum, right? So if you have more than that, that's even better. Wish is another stock that's up 12% today, and it's 100 million volume. So there's a lot of volume pumping through the stock right now. I think there's a strong possibility we can see this a $9 stock. Well, for sure, a $7 stock because there's a resistance right there. But I think we can see it going back to that $9 mark, the resistance right here, and even as high as $10 per share again. Wish is a little bit risky though. SoFi is a great long-term investment. I already took majority of my profits out though for short term because it absolutely has flown up, and we're looking to re-enter in around $17, $18 per share once again. We also have Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general spiking like crazy. Litecoin up 11%, Ethereum up 7%, Dogecoin up 5%, Bitcoin new all-time highs. So if you want to see constant updates. And if you want to see my portfolio updates as well, we went from $33,000 in the account to $37,000 in the account. And in the week, we were as low as $32,000. So in the week, we made over $5,000 from cryptocurrencies. That's why I have the second page, the daily cryptocurrency. Make sure you're going to be a part of it there if you like cryptocurrency, because it allows me to really nerd out and really talk about cryptocurrencies in detail. And because if I did as much of this crypto content that I do, if you check out, what I post and stuff, a lot of the stock market, people on my stock market page would probably get upset because not all of them are cryptocurrency investors. So that's why I totally split it up. So that way we can really nerd out and go into detail on the daily cryptocurrency about all that crypto content. I posted this on the close friends list on the crypto list. So that I'm pretty confident Litecoin will go back up to $225 to $275 per share in the next couple of months. We were buying most of our shares below $165 per share, however. And then the next day, because a lot of people ended up buying, because I said it would go up to $225 per share to $275 per share. The next day, we saw Litecoin spike up to $205 per share on its way to $225, up around 12% on the day. So I hope you guys really did appreciate that video, and I hope you guys appreciate me cracking open my portfolio and showing you my percent gains, which a lot of other people don't do. Affirm is also down 4%, by the way, looking for more dips before we buy that. Enphase is a great one to start buying. A dollar cost averaging in. I want to be buying under $150 for long term. Enter the Zuckerverse, social media churns with a new names to Facebook. So I don't know if you guys heard about that, but Facebook is thinking about renaming itself, which I think's, a pretty good idea, because they have world domination in mind and they don't want to be known as Facebook when they're dominating the world, because Facebook is only one very small part of their business. And you guys can read through some of these other ones as well. By the time you watch this video, Tesla will already release their earnings, which will probably be very positive, by the way. And then Thursday, tomorrow, we'll actually have AT&T reporting, American Airlines, Southwest, which some of the travel stocks are actually getting boosts. So it could be a good idea to look into American Airlines, Southwest. And then after close on Thursday, we have Snapchat, Intel, Chipotle, Whirlpool, a few others. And then on Friday, we have Amex, American Express reporting, Honeywell, and a few others. So make sure you hit like and subscribe if you want more of this value-packed content on the daily. Comment below if you want me to do more videos more frequently, because right now I'm only doing 5 videos per week on this channel. And if you guys want me to kick it up to 7 or 8 or even 10 videos a week, make sure you keep leaving comments to get me motivated to make more videos for you guys. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Remember to share with a friend if you think that they could find it helpful. And don't time the market, buy the market. Peace.